Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share the audiobooks that you're listening to on Audible onto social media and create posts from there. So if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. So let's get into it. I'm on the homepage of Audible app on mobile, and basically on the bottom row, there's 4 different buttons. Press Library. And then from there, you need to click into an audiobook. And so you can actually do this a couple of ways. So on the right-hand side of any title, there are 3 dots, that button. Press that button, and then it's going to bring down a bunch of different options right here. The third option down says Share. So let's press that. And we have a bunch of different options of where we can actually share this to. Share it to X, to Facebook, Viber, WhatsApp. You can go into more and find even more options from there. So I'm going to select Facebook, and then it says share to feed or groups. I'm going to select feed, and from there you can start typing out the post. Once you're ready, press the post button on the top right, and then you will have shared the audiobook that you're listening to on social media. So I'm actually going to cancel it here and show you the other way that you can share posts. So you do need to click into one of the titles. I'm going to press the text Main Street Millionaire at the bottom and open up the listening window. And in the top right, that's where you can see the 3 dots button. Press that. And now we can see the second option down is the share option. Select more. And now we have the same options as we did before. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.